Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in CoinMarketCap application using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the Markets tab or the home page of CoinMarketCap, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. This will now open up the expanded menu where you'll see the theme option. Tap on dark right next to theme to change your CoinMarketCap's interface to dark color. Soon after you do that, this will immediately change your theme to dark. Dark mode is ideal for nighttime use or reducing eye strain. So there you have it, that is how you easily do it. You can always switch back to the light mode by coming to the same menu and selecting either light or system. And that's how you easily change your theme in CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.